Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today my video is all about this gal right here. I'm going to be making her a dress for a function that I'm getting ready to go to, and she's coming along with me. And I thought, since I've been doing a doll a week, I could highlight her for this week's doll. So this is U R for me. She's also known as Kiera, at least that's what it had on the box. And I'll get into more detail about her at the end of this video, but right now let's make her dress. My plan is to use these two pieces of fabric. The stars, that's going to be the top, and those cute little puppy dogs, that's going to be the bottom. Now keep in mind, I am a beginner sewer and I'm just learning. So the first thing I did was cut out all the pieces and iron them. And then I just started following the instructions. I have learned that pressing between each step is really important. This pattern actually has come together pretty easily, and I'm almost done. Now that being said, I did have a little long distance help from my sister Tammy Pally over at Peacecraft Dolls. I'm really nervous at this point. I was doing something similar to this when I had my sewing machine accident. You see, my feeder on the machine doesn't really work very well. I think I'm done. All I have to do is iron it and put a clasp on the back. I'm so grateful for technology. Now we need to get this girl dressed in her new outfit. All right, the dress is all complete, including a snap on the back. Boots are perfect. They're a little big for her, but she's not going to be running around too much. She'll be in a bag, so that'll be great. Now I need to make another little charm for her eye pole in red, white, and blue. Maybe a shamrock? I don't know. We'll have to see. So this is the doll of the week, and I do have an unboxing of her if you would like to get more details about all the stock she came with. But U R for me, or Kiera, actually is not a fakie. She's a real doll, a real Blythe doll rather. And she came with a lot of really cool pieces. My sister, Tammy Pally at Peacecraft Dolls, actually gave her to me for a gift. And I almost think of her as a mini me. She kind of looks like me. She's really fair and has blonde hair. Now, my hair's not this blonde, but when I was younger, it just about was this blonde. And I do have a grandchild who has hair that color. So anyway, she's got some really beautiful eye chips. We have these gorgeous blue ones, which look great with her dress. The side green, oh, those would be great for St. Patrick's Day. We have the dreaded pink, but these aren't the typical pink. They're a little bit deeper, and you know, with the right outfit, she'd probably look really nice. And you know what? I kind of wonder if they would have side pink, maybe they wouldn't look so eerie. We have the side gray. I like the side gray, but I'm going to put her back on the blue. Perfectly with this outfit. She's got some earrings. Look at those little heart earrings. One of the reasons I chose her to go to this function is because she does have red earrings, and she does have a manicure. Look at that, and it's red. It goes really nicely with her outfit. I did braid her hair just because she's going to be traveling, and this hair can kind of get in the way and all tangled, and I didn't want it to get messed up, so I've just braided it. She is in her bag, all ready to go on the trip. By the way, if you're curious as to where we're going and what we're doing and all about the trip, I'll leave a link down in the comment section below about a shopping for this bag, and I kind of tell a little bit about what's going on. There is U R for me, or Kiera, the doll of the week. And like I said, I will leave a link actually at the end of this video so you can click on it, all about the unboxing of her. Thanks for joining us, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Kiera, signing out for Be Creative. Bye-bye.